Kia ora all future New Zealand travellers and walking fanatics. Ever looked for an amazing free adventure? I'm Binky T and today we are diving into the Piripiri Caves, conveniently located a short drive from the famous Waitomo Caves. This easy, captivating walk offers incredible natural beauty without the price tag. Stick with me because this is a must-see. We are in Waitomo area. Welcome to Piripiri Caves, Scenic Reserve. Just a quick 5-minute walk to some glorious caves. Now with this lovely view of some limestone rock on the way, I would like to strongly advise bringing a torch. Footwear, honestly just regular boots, shoes are absolutely fine. This is definitely on the moderate level only due to the amount of stairs. However, it's really nicely paved. So, fair warning. To the caves. It's like an abandoned picnic spot. Oh, it's the jungle again. Best part about this place is you can hit out other amazing free spots like the Mangapahui Natural Bridge and the stunning Motakoko Falls. It's a whole day's worth of adventure. Check out the links in the description. My walks of these places are already out. Oh, you can hear those seagulls coming in. Okay, just a few stairs in. What's awesome about Piripiri is that it's one of the only public caves around the Waitomo area that you can explore completely free. Huge bonus for this traveller. Oh, but wait, there's more. Oh, this is nice. Beautiful limestone. And this walk is around about 30 to 35 minutes drive from the Waitomo Caves main site itself. And it's completely free with a lot of stairs. It's like a bad infomercial. Buy one, get one more flight of stairs. Whew. Is it cool? Here's a fact. Limestone actually comes from seashells. They pile up on the seafloor millions of years ago, just compacts down and ta-da! God, what goes up must come down. Whew. Hello.
I hope you have a flashlight.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Hoi, oi, 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 oi.
Wow, how far down?
It doesn't go very far down.
Wow.
Alright, in the cave we go. Unfortunately, we only have torches by phone. Gosh, this is going to be a true test for the DJI's night sight. Let's see how we get on. I feel like this is like the beginning of a horror movie. Over super long periods of time, rainwater, which is a little bit acidic, just dissolves in that limestone, and that's how these caves got carved out. Crazy. Amazing. What is up there? Nothing. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. Subscribe and like if you haven't already. I really appreciate it.